See ya, mommy.
Oh boy. Arissa is gone, so it's just me and Fate. We are heading, well, we're just gonna be heading out to go have some girl time just now. So yes, that is what we're going to go do. I need to go get some stuff. I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna cook for dinner. So she's gone, so that is what we are going to do.
Corned beef, baby, and rice.
Oh.
Corned beef, baby, and rice.
So, but it looked like it's about to rain, unfortunately.
Does that sound good?
Mm-hmm.
Corned beef, baby, and rice.
Mm-hmm. It sounds good.
I'm surprised I still know exactly where my friend lives. Cause I'm like, I was like looking.
All right, so we made a stop. I did some little bit of food and stuff. Got some stuff to make for dinner later, and I stopped to get a patty. And it's actually raining. I haven't had a chubby. I can't tell when last I had a chubby. So
let me tell you when last I had a chubby.
Have a chubby
2018.
now. 2018.
Yeah. When I went to school.
Woo! Bloody hell. A long time in I have no chubby.
This ain't Jamaican chubby. This ain't Jamaican chubby. This is crush. This is crush.
The way I say I knock off.
Yeah, this is crush. This is orange crush.
Oh, okay. So that is what we're doing. I'm about to go eat a patty.
I always do that. Or what I'll do when we go to Juicy's patty, I'll pick off the crunchy part and put it in the bag and eat it for later. Oh, I got a good time. Thank you for the food.
Man.
It's Japanese. I watch too much anime. This yellow one tastes good. You know which one I love? The Pepsi. Oh, that chubby tastes so good. And the clear one, that one tastes nice. You know, I love when they were frozen. Like you have a chunk of ice in it.
And it don't taste bad, but nothing beats like fresh patty from back home.
It do. It do taste good.
Especially cheese patty. Cheese patty. What?
From Tasties.
That bad.
I'd get like 4.
The Ackee saltfish patty tastes good too, and the curry patty.
You don't eat Ackee saltfish, so I wouldn't eat it. I wouldn't eat the Ackee saltfish patty.
Well, I would.
I never eat this part. I had it for last.
So it's good, not bad.
Not bad.
If it was just in here blurring her music.
Every time I play music and then you come in here and stop it.
I know.
It's not like bad music. No.
No, it's not that bad. Did you see somebody calling? Oh.
I answered. I don't know who it was. If it said like Nisha or something, I answered it. Yeah. I'm another person, so I'm not answering no. This for your mommy?
Oh boy. Hello.
Come taste for you. Let me taste yours, mommy.
I'm gonna finish eat and then we're gonna head out. We have another stop to make and then we're going to head home and go make dinner. Alright, so we just finally reached home. Yes, so we finally reached home. Miss Faith decided to go shopping. Yeah, she wanted to spend some of her, or I call her little modeling money, her modeling gig. So she went out and she bought herself some swimwear and stuff like that. So she went out and went shopping, and she was nice enough, she even bought her sister stuff. So that was really sweet of her. That was really sweet of her. So she went out and spent her little one too. But you know me, I said, no, I don't want anything. She said, oh mom, do you want anything? I'm like, no, it's your money. So she spent a little and she saved a little. So I spend a little, save a lot. You like it fits you?
Yeah, but maybe.
Well, that is easily can fix. Welcome back to the vlog. So we are heading out. Me and Faith. Well, going out and well, actually going on a cute little date with my girlfriends. We're going on a lunch date. So I'm just hurrying up and get myself together. And Faith is going to go have a girls' day herself. So that is what we are up to. And well, Memphis as usual, his usual thing, being home. So he's used to it. He's used to it. So I'm just packing up my bag. Okay, Faith, we need to go. Okay. So I'm gonna get going just now. Running a little bit late. My girlfriend just called. I know. I just set my hair, but I'm waiting till this dies down so I could set it back quickly. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So we're heading out. Oh my goodness. And oh Lord, it's the long weekend, baby. So gotta find things to do this weekend and hang out. Memphis, those dishes need to be washed.
mercy, so we are praying waves like the ocean.
So me and Faith have reached our destination. I'm just at my girlfriend's house now and we are heading out. We're just having a little bit of vibes in the car. Sorry if y'all can't hear that music. Whoopsie! Gotta stop it. No copyright around here. So we've reached. Miss Faith, how you have so much chips and something in my bag? Something.
It's only like one.
Alright, so well, we're here.
Like every single vlog you've made since we came to Until house, I'm eating.
So this is lunch. Well, it look like dinner. Yes, and these are the good, what you say, the good wings them.
This is how we're living. And COVID 2020. I don't want to see tornado. We've been eating a whole cow. I'm sorry, edit your video please.
We just finished, had our nice lunch date. Now we don't know where ahead. We're gonna go see how much trouble we can get into. Somewhere else. I mean, that's why you know about copyright.
Spin like yalla fight fast. If this party that is looking at it, gonna fly fast. Spin catch a fire, vampire price class. Man, I run and you go in like the one.
is really love. Cause baby, I'ma feel the love. Me need more than a single. Is it too soon to say I love you? This girl I do. I know those words are few, but I'll show you. Cause everybody needs somebody.